Hello! In this video I will cover the maintenance and print head replacement of the MAXIFY GX series models. I will show the following in the video, and for the full product review check the video in the upper right corner. There are two models. GX3000 series is without automatic document feeder and has only small mono display, but this video covers both models. I display on the screen the different original names of these models. I use mostly GX4040 model in the video, which was installed in the setup video. First, I show how to replace the print head. Follow the instructions on the screen. Also, the maintenance cartridge needs to be removed from the printer. The maintenance cartridge is a consumable item and may need to be replaced every 10,000 pages. The carriage unit has moved to the print head replacement position. I take out the print head. I put back the same print head. It takes some minutes until the printer is ready, as the ink needs to fill up the system. During print head replacement procedure, a significant amount of ink goes to the maintenance cartridge, so my maintenance cartridge is now almost full. In the next part I show how to access the maintenance menu, starting from the remote user interface via web page. I have covered remote admin login to the printer in the video in the upper right corner, so you may need to check that video first. The maintenance menu you can access via the device screen. On GX3000 model it is less practical, but it displays the QR codes which guide to online manuals with more instructions. Here I print a nozzle check, which checks the print head health and displays also the counter and firmware version on the printer. Detailed counters are available via the remote admin login. The nozzle check is fine, so I select all A, which means no cleaning is needed. And this brings me to cleaning. There are three types: normal, more intensive deep cleaning, and lower down in the menu you find very intensive cleaning called replace the ink in the print head. This procedure consumes a lot of ink and puts it into maintenance cartridge. so you only use it when up to 3 or even 5 deep cleanings do not recover the nozzles of the printhead. From the driver, I can access the Inkjet Assistant tool. Here I can access the maintenance menu. Replace ink in the printhead can be done by black or only by colors. Find drivers and software installation on this series in the upper right corner video. After the printhead has been replaced, the alignment is recommended. The printhead alignment is automatic on MAXIFY GX series and takes a couple of minutes to complete. When finished, the printer prints the alignment pattern. There is also manual alignment, which prints the pattern, and then you need to manually select the best samples to align the printhead nozzles. There are 2 pages of patterns where you need to enter the data manually. Find more about maintenance, more about roller cleanings in the video on maintenance of the bigger GX series. Here I print the printhead alignment value. And that would be all in this video. Find more about printers on my channel. More links are available in the description below and more videos in the playlists on my channel. Feel free to comment, ask questions and do not forget to subscribe to be notified about printers in the future. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye.